एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बेंचमार्क स्टडी। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं मंथली एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट 5 फॉर द जनवरी मंथ। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेक्चर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज रिसेंटली मादरबर्ग पावर मैप, इंडियाज फर्स्ट इंटेलिजेंट क्रॉनिक डिजीज पेशेंट्स हैबिट ट्रैकिंग सिस्टम वाज लॉन्च बाय डैश। सो ये आपका लॉन्च किया है बाय द नितिन गडकरी। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर एंड ये मिनिस्टर है, यूनियन मिनिस्टर है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवे के। Question number 2 is the National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Hyderabad has signed a MOU with which organization to promote good governance across all programs and schemes? So here answer is option number D, that is with the National Center for Good Governance. Question number 3 is who authored the book titled Bose, The Untold Story of an Inconvenient Nationalist? So here answer is option number E, that is it is written by the Chandrachud Ghosh. Question number 4 is Dash launched the Startup India Innovation Week from 10th to 16th January 2022 to showcase the spread and depth of entrepreneurship across India. So here answer is option number C, that is Piyush Goyal. Question number 5 is Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode has signed an MOU with which bank to launch a startup funding scheme in Springboard to support early stage startups with the loan of up to rupees 15 crore. So here answer is Indian Bank. So ये आपका MOU sign किया गया है with the Indian Bank. Question number 6 is India's first coal to methanol pilot plant was launched at which of the following BHEL unit? So here answer is option number B, that is ये launch किया गया है आपका BHEL हैदराबाद यूनिट में, ठीक है। And BHEL also assists India's coal gasification mission and coal to hydrogen production for hydrogen mission. Question number 7 is which country became the first country to purchase BrahMos supersonic cruise missile system from India worth rupees 374.96 million dollar? So here answer is option number C, that is Philippines. Question number 8 is Dash has announced the commemorative postal stamp on 16 January 2022 to mark the first anniversary of the COVID-19 vaccination drive, and Dash is the denomination of the postal stamp. So here answer is option number B, that is ये लॉन्च किया है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर ने, एंड इसका जो डिनोमिनेशन है दैट इज ऑफ ₹5. Question number 9 is which village of Kerala became the first ever sanitary napkin free village in India? So इसका नाम है कुंबालिंगी village. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 10 is recently in January 2022 which organization extended over $900 million loan to Sri Lanka to tackle forex crisis? So here answer is option number B, ये दिया है RBI ने, that is Reserve Bank of India. Question number 11 is which bank won IBS Intelligence Global FinTech Innovation Awards 2021 for the best CRM? CRM means Customer Relationship Management System Implementation. So here answer is ये है आपका Axis Bank. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 12 is when do we celebrate Indian Army Day in India? So ये आपका celebrate किया जाता है on the 15th of January. So option number D is the right answer. And इसकी theme थी that is inspired with the future. Question number 13 is which country paramilitary revolution guard launched their first solid fuel satellite carrier rocket into the space? So here answer is option number B, that is Iran. Question number 15 is Defense Ministry has launched an online portal to resolve pension aided grievance of ex-servicemen and their dependents called as Dash on the occasion of the 6th Armed Force Veteran Day. So ये पोर्टल है, इसका नाम है रक्षा पेंशन शिकायत निवारण. Question number 16 is who won the men's single title in India Open 2022 that was held from 11th to 16 January 2022 at New Delhi? So ये आपका जीता है लक्ष्य सेन ने. So option number B is the right answer. Question number 17 is recently in January 2022 Padma Vibhushan awardee Birju Maharaj passed away. He was associated with which dance form? So he is associated with the Kathak. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 18 is in January 2022 Ibrahim Boubacar Keita passed away. He was a former president of which country? So he is from the Mali. So option number C is the right answer. Question number 19 is National E-Governance Division organized CISO Deep Dive Training Program under Cyber Surakshit Bharat between January 17 to 22nd 2022. So ये था आपका 26th edition. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 20 is Indian Army signs first contract with Anadron System Private Limited under Make Second for maneuverable expandable aerial target with the outlay of rupees dash. So here answer is option number A, that is 96 crore का इसका outlay है. Question number 21 is as per the World Employment and Social Outlook, that is WESO Trends 2022 report, the global unemployment will reach 207 million in 2022. The WESO report is released by which organization? So ये आपका रिलीज करता है ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या ILO. Question number 22 is which of the following point is are correct with respect to the SEBI regulation 2018. So firstly we will go through the points. So पहला point क्या कहता है? SEBI amendment, the SEBI regulation 2018 to SEBI settlement proceeding amendment regulation 2022. Second आपका कह रहा है point, SEBI has reduced the timeline for filing settlement application to just 90 days from the current 180 days to make the system more efficient. Question number 3 says, point number 3 says, the time period for submission of revised settlement terms form after the internal committee has been rationalized to 15 days from the date of the IC meeting. So here answer is option number E, that is आपका point number 1 and point number 3 जो है वो correct है. Second point क्यों incorrect है? Because यहाँ पे जो timeline है आपकी वो 90 days नहीं है, 60 days है. Okay. Question number 23 is which e-commerce platform has partnered with Bank of Baroda Financial Solution Limited and NPCI to launch a co-branded contactless RuPay credit card? So here answer is option number B, that is with the Snapdeal. Question number 24 is lending card partnered with which bank to provide low cost business loans of up to rupees 10 lakh to MSMEs. So ये जो पार्टनरशिप हुई है ये हुई है कैनरा बैंक के साथ. तो ऑप्शन नंबर ई इज द राइट आंसर. एंड जो ये लोन है ये आपको दिए जाएंगे विद द प्लेटफॉर्म नोन एज लेंडिंग कार्ड टुगेदर यूजिंग जीरो टच टेक्नोलॉजी. Question number 25 is name the organization who sanctioned financial assistance of around 650 crore to AU Small Finance Bank and Jana Small Finance Bank in January 2022. So ये दिया गया है by the SIDBI. So option number C is the right answer. SIDBI का full form आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए, Small Industries Development Bank of India. Question number 26 is as per the data released by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Indian merchandise export have reached to dash in the first 9 months of financial year 21-22 out of the total targeted $400 billion. So यहाँ पे जो है इंडिया ने जो एक्सपोर्ट किया है वो किया है $300 billion का. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 27 is in January 2022 who has been crowned as the best FIFA men's player 2021 in the 6th FIFA football अवार्ड 2021. सो ये मिला है आपका रॉबर्ट लेवेंडस्की. ठीक है. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. एंड अगर बात करें हम विमेंस के लिए तो फीफा विमेंस प्लेयर 2021 है अलेक्सा पुतेला. Question number 28 is who is appointed as the chairman of the Apparel Export Promotion Council? So ये अपॉइंट किए गए हैं नरेंद्र कुमार गोयनका. सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द राइट आंसर. Question number 29 is recently in January 2022, which country performed its first flight of the world's heaviest supersonic military aircraft named as Tupolev Tu-160M? So here answer is option number D, that is by the Russia. Question number 30 is identify the country that successfully conducted the flight test of the Arrow 3 ballistic missile interceptor outside the Earth's atmosphere with the United States. So ये की गई है by the Israel. So option number B is the right answer. Question number 31 is which state has recently partnered with World Food Programme to improve the food security of a small and marginal farmers of the India by the enhancing their resilience to the climate change. So here answer is option number D, that is with the Odisha. Question number 32 is इंडिया मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट सेलिब्रेट इट्स फाउंडेशन डे ऑन डैश. सो ये सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है ऑन 14th of January. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज द राइट आंसर. एंड यहाँ पे 147th फाउंडेशन डे मनाया गया है 2022 में, और यहाँ पे लॉन्च की गई है इंडियाज फर्स्ट क्लाइमेट हैजार्ड एंड वल्नरेबिलिटी एटलस. ठीक है, और ये लॉन्च की है जितेंद्र सिंह ने. सो ये चीजें आपको सारी ध्यान में रखनी है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 इज which ministry initiated digital government mission to speed up citizen services delivery? So here answer is option number D, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Question number 34 is recently in January, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship signed MOU with which university to link vocational education and training with the higher education? So ये की गई है by the option number A, that is Indira Gandhi National Open University. Question number 35 is name the crowdsourced mobile application launched by the Jitendra Singh on the foundation day of India Meteorological Department. So इसका नाम है Public Observation. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 36 is which organization inked pact with Mauritius government to export one advanced light helicopter, that is ALH MK3rd. So here answer is option number B, that is with the Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, जिसे HAL भी बोला जाता है. Question number 37 is as per the January 2022 electricity market report of International Energy Agency, power demand in India is expected to grow at dash between 2022 and 2024. So it will be can be increased by the 6.5%. So option number C is the right answer. Question number 38 is which organization launched a mobile app called Sarthi to provide education to investor in January 2022? So ये launch की है by the SEBI. So option number A is the right answer. Question number 39 is identify the company that launched two new programs called Leap Ahead and Leap Innovation Network. So ये launch किया है आपका Flipkart ने. So option number D is the right answer. Question number 40 is Charlene Ford was chosen as the winner of Mrs. World 2022 that was held in Las Vegas, USA. She is from dash. So she belongs to a USA. So option number E is the right answer. Question number 41 is who is appointed as a new chairman of Air India? So ये बने हैं आपके विक्रम दत्त. So option number B is the right answer. Question number 42 is Dash has been elected as a new president of a Europe Union Parliament. So ये कौन हुए हैं? इनका नाम है रॉबर्ट मेट्सोला. So option number D जो है आपका right answer. Question number 43 is identify the personality that was recently in January 2022 appointed as a 17th chairman of Indian Farmers Fertilizer Corporation, that is IFCO Limited. So ये आपके बने हैं दिलीप शंघाई. So option number A is the right answer और इन्होंने replace किया है बलविंदर सिंह नेकिया को. Question number 44 is National Disaster Response Force, that is NDRF, annually celebrates its raising day on. So here answer is option number C. ये celebrate करते हैं raising day on 19th of January. Question number 45 is name the country that recently signed an agreement with India to initiate joint research and development on the green fuels. So here answer is option number E, that is Denmark. Question number 46 is recently in January 2022 which organization signed MOU with the Insurance Institute of India capacity building of an insurance sector? So here answer is option number B, that is International Financial Services Center Authority के साथ ये MOU sign किया गया है. Question number 47 is which organization inked pact with NIF Incubation and Entrepreneurship Council to empower grassroots entrepreneurs? So here answer is option number D, that is with the Amazon India. Question number 48 is recently in January 2022 Indonesia replaced Jakarta with the new capital city named dash. So इसका नाम है option number E, that is Nusantara. Question number 49 is 15th meeting of BRICS Science Technology Innovation, that is STI steering committee decides that dash will be the chair for 2022. So here answer is option number B, that is China. And theme क्या थी इस बार BRICS की 2022 की? Foster high quality BRICS partnership usher in a new era for global development. So इस टाइप की जो भी मीटिंग होती है आपको थीम याद रखना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि ये एग्जाम में पूछे जाती है. So we are at the last question. Question number 50 is, as per the RBI Digital Payments Index, the digital payments increased by -% to 304.06 in September 2021 as against 217.74 in September 2022. So जो percentage है, it is 39.64%. So I hope guys आपको मेरा जो lecture है वो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना ना भूलिएगा. एंड अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलिए, ताकि उससे आपको जो है हमारी हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे. सो अगर आपके कुछ सजेशन है तो प्लीज मेल अस at benchmarkstudy007@gmail.com. सो मिलेंगे गाइस आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड हैव अ नाइस डे एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशंस.